Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to remove or delete an administrator account in Windows 11. First thing here you have to make sure is you are not signed in with the same account you want to delete. If you are, just go ahead, log out and log in back with another administrator account. And if you don't have the one, just go to settings, then accounts and then other user. Go ahead and click Add Account, choose Add a user without a Microsoft account, name it and make it administrator. To delete an account, go ahead, open Settings and then go to Accounts and Other Users. Select the account you want to remove and then click Delete Account and Data. This will completely remove that administrator account. You can also do this from Control Panel. Open up Control Panel, go to User Accounts and then click Remove User Accounts. Select the account, choose the delete account and then confirm. That's it, account is deleted. Now here is the tip for built-in administrator account. If Windows doesn't let you to delete the account, it's likely the built-in administrator account. That one cannot be deleted, but you can disable it for security purposes. Just open up command prompt as an administrator and type net space user space administrator space active and then set it to no. Now press enter and it's disabled. If you ever want to bring it back, type the same command but replace the no with yes. And that's how you can safely delete or remove any administrator account in Windows 11 except the built-in administrator. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to ITeePK. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.